In this video, I'll show you how to construct reports with column charts in it. So in order to build a report, we need to find the reports module and click on reports. So then find the create button and select the type of module, the data from which will be used to construct the report. So in our case, this will be leads module. So there are two filter levels, level 1 filter and level 2 filter. Leads is the module that is already selected in level 1 filter, and we now need to, let's suppose, select the date created in order to know how many leads have been created by all the users for the whole period. Selecting date created from level 2 filter will allow us to do that. So we need to select before today, for example, and proceed next by just clicking this according button. Then we need to define display fields at step 3. Defining display fields means we are selecting the columns that will be present below the chart. So we would probably like to know the lead's name. So we type first name and last name, as well as we would need to know who do these leads belong to. So we click on assign to user in level 1 filter and then select username in level 2 filter. That means that we are selecting the username of the corresponding sales manager or any other responsible person for generating these leads. Then we click on next button. Define group by is step number 4, and here we need to define the group by the criterion. One of such a criterion will be the username of the person who's responsible for generating the leads. So again, we select leads, assign to user, and username here. Then we click next. Finally, we need to define summaries, ID, and the function is can. Then we go downwards. Here we select the chart type. Columns chart type is already selected, so we just need to type in the report name. This will be leads for the whole period by users. Okay, and then we click save. And finally, we'll have a beautiful report build. And we can see that Chris has generated 34 leads, while Max has generated 57 leads. Sally and Sarah have generated 38, and Will has generated only 33 leads. So probably Max is the most successful successful sales manager. Sorry. And here we've got a table with the first and last name of the lead and the username of the sales manager or the person who's responsible for generating the leads. So that's it. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much for your attention.